might have to come back here.
Okay. There's some dragon. Where's he at?
Sometimes these fish kind of get a little, you don't really realize how big they are until they kind of get.
He's got something to him.
Oh yeah. Kind of shaking his head like a big red. At first he didn't feel like a big, but he's kind of shaking his head like a big red.
They just suck it in.
It takes off, yes sir. That's what I say. You don't have to really set the hook. Pick the thing up, start reeling. He'll be there. Oh yeah, he'll make one more run at it. That's pretty red. You know, by the way you fight sharks to make long, hard runs. And big red, he's gonna be a big one. He's no redhead.
He ain't ready to give up.
Oh no. You know, I don't never try to do that, but I did then. Kind of did the back. I want to put that head in the daggum net. Yeah. Oh yeah.
He knows where he's going.
Yeah.
We lead him in there for you. We lead him in. There you go. That's a nice one.
That's a big leg. Yes, sir. Like I said, it'd be easier to sit down. Yeah, I don't. There you go.
Got teeth?
Yeah, he got some. We want to hold him vertical like that.
Is he gonna stay?
Yeah, should.
Good. All right. Drop him.
Yeah.
Get him. Another redfish?
He's a big one. That's a big stingray, I believe. You ain't fighting like that, right? Yeah, I do have a big stingray. Pull straight down. That's a redfish, that's a growing. If that's a redfish, that's a growing. I don't think it's a redfish. I think it's a big stingray. He's shaking his head like that. You see that pumping?
Yeah. That's a redfish.
Yeah, no, that's probably the stingray doing this.
Oh.
Yeah, redfish will shake his head a little bit. Now I might be wrong. I haven't caught a big stingray this year. He's kind of acting like a big rig.
But yeah, when I said to her, I said, look, I said, let me show you. I said, you pick which gun you want me to show you. So they're all automatic.
Right.
So she says, okay, so she goes picture. I said, okay, now I'm going to show you something. I said, I have bigger clip. And I said, you see, I caught it. You see, there's no bullet in there, right? She says,
let me pull. I'm gonna get glove out.
okay, go ahead. So she said, I said, you see there's no bullet in it, right? She says, yeah, I see that. I tell you what, she's pretty good.
Oh yeah, that is strong. It's as big as a daggum car hood.
So I said, now, I said, you see there's no bullet. I've got the clip out. Now, I let it go, reset. I said, here, pocket. She could not pocket.
Right.
She said, you did something. I said, I didn't do nothing. I told you nothing. Talk. She says, I can't believe you had to do something. I said, I didn't do nothing. I did it again. I said, now, I said, number one, I don't know how you are, but I said, never chamber a bullet.
Right.
I said, I have them in the clip. I did not chamber. You see, so I said, go get to the boat.
Take off again.
But she couldn't believe it. I said, now, how do you expect a little kid to talk that way?
See, I keep one finger at my house. That's why we gather them up before the kids get around.
Yeah.
And now, I don't. All of them have a safety except some of the small ones. And you know, like I got a 380 that doesn't have safety on it. But all my other like 9, 45, 40, stuff like that, they all got a safety on it. And, that's a real fish. I know, it's a big red fish.
Is it?
Yeah.
Look at it.
He's good one too.
But you never know, they a minute.
Joe, right?
Seen that net.
That was a trifling bite. They like to get under the boat, and I don't know why. They like to get under the boat.
There you go.
There you go. Got him. Come on over there. Get him on. No. Another good one there.
Okay, I got it.
Like get him around that tail. There you go. Yeah, that's why I put the gloves on, because I was gonna have to catch that line. And
He got teeth like catfish.
yeah, and they will punch a hole in your thumb too. All right, head first.